Okay, so for problem number 2, determine the available strength of ASTM A992 with Fy 345 megapascal, W920 by 201. So we're going to solve the capacity, shear strength of this in terms of LRFD and AST. So first, this is W section. You have to check. Okay, you have to check this. No, always check this. Now, if this was satisfied, kasi you are not going, if according to this provision, so supposedly the reduction factor and the safety factor is 1.67. However, if you satisfy this condition, thus you have to use this reduction factor and the safety factor. So let's check if we satisfy the H over TW compared to 2.24 square root of E over Fy. Okay, so these are the section properties of 920 by 201. Okay, so let's check if we satisfy the condition. So 904 minus 2 times KDES. So we have 825.8. And then let's solve the H over TW, 825.8. Okay, over 15.2. So let's compare that to 2.24. So we're going to use ASTM A992 with an Fy of 345 megapascal. So your answer here is 1 is eto no. And ito naman yan. Comparing greater than yan guys. Sorry, this should be greater than. Since we were not able to satisfy this condition, so technically, do not use this reduction factor, but use this values. Okay? So we have to use this value. So thus, reduction factor is 0.9 and the safety factor is 1.67. But your CV will be still 1.0. Okay, for W section actually, CV is always 1.0. Okay. Actually, for all W sections, CV is always 1.0. Okay, so that's it, no? Actually, ito lang, sobrang unti lang naman yung hindi mo masasatisfy dito, class. Yung H over TW na greater than 2.24. If you're going to check the, for FY na 345, no? Okay. So, if you're going to check, kasi pagka FY na 248 megapascal, actually, mas tataas pa tong value nito eh, no? So, let's see. So let's see. For example, we have 248 megapascal. Kasi fixed na yan eh, no? 2.24. So, 2.24 times square root of E over Fy na 248. Okay, that is 63. Now, if you are using Fy na 248 megapascal, let's see kung may lalampas ba sa value na yan. So, let's sort this. No, H over TW. Okay, largest to smallest. As you can see here, no one exceeds, no cross-section of no W section exceeds this value. Okay, so if you're using A36 still, so it will always satisfy this provision. Okay, for A36 still, it will always satisfy this provision. Yan, satisfy niyan. For W section, no? For A36. However, for grade 50, A992 still, kasi, di ba, for grade 50, so we have 53.993 na, ano, na comparison. Okay, meron lumampas. Katulad ng problem na to, lumampas siya doon sa condition natin. Okay, which is ilan lang yung class? Okay, so ilan lang ang lalampas dito sa 53.99933? 53.933. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Only 8 W section exceeds the value of yung 53.333. Okay, so technically, most cases guys, most cases of W section, always use reduction factor of satisfy this condition. Okay, if you satisfy this condition less than most of the cases, aside from those 10, no? Kapag ka Fy is 345, most of the cases, it will be always satisfied. Okay. But for all A36 still, so laging satisfied guys for W section. Okay? So again, CV is 1.0 na. Even you don't satisfy this condition, CV is still 1.0. Now how about for other shapes? Okay. So anyway, let's try to complete this solution. So we were able to identify the reduction factor in the CB. Okay, so let's solve for the nominal shear strength. Nominal shear strength is FYAW times CV. The AW is the TW. So get the area of the web. Okay, so ayan, 13740 times 0.8 and then substitute 0.6 FYAW CV. Okay, so 2844.346. And available shear strength for LRFD and for ASD, use the reduction factor na 0.9. Okay, only 10 section properties, no, yung gumagamit ng 0.9 na reduction factor. 10 lang yung class na section properties. Ito lang yun. 10 na yan. Okay. So, for grade 50. Yan. Okay, so answer. Yan po. Okay, so next problem. So let's try to solve aside from W section. What if we have different section? Okay.